Hey yo guys, it's Paladis Comedy. Nyuma ya shooting twagize trip Tunyamilambo. Birebere nawe.
It's LC the beat guy.
S-Bling on the track.
Bombo clap. Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey.
S-Bling on the track.
Bombo clap. Hey, hey. Bombo clap. Hey, hey.
You've never made that noise.
Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey. Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey.
What the hell was that?
Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey. Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey.
What was that noise? You've never made that noise.
Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey. Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, Jesus, bombo clap. Hey, hey.
You've never
Jesus, bombo.
Turi kumwe naze hano.
Here.
Bazengo wa bagaye man. Ndamusubiza ngo
Wabagaye.
na bagino papa wanje.
Wabagaye.
Na bagino papa wanje.
Wabagaye.
Yeah, me too. It's not my first time.
It's your first time though.
The foolish.
It's your first time to see a stadium.
Bombo clap.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Jesus, bombo.
Ushenzi umuntu urimo gukubita ari umuntu.
Oh shit.
Sinyamirambo.
Jesus, bombo.
Nyamijos.
Ni Nyamijos. Utazi umujyi mukuru.
Capital city of Kigali.
That's the capital city of Kigali.
Was the mbaya kabisa.
Bro,
Bye Nyamilambo.
I am just Nyamijos.
We are going back to
Back home to Gisos here.
Bombo clap.
Land of Palace, the palace of the
Back home.
kings and queens.